Okay, let's assume that this ugly thing which we see in front of us would be our presentation and we would like to save it. Actually, we are not just saving it, we may export it to other formats, because sometimes you would like to have a PowerPoint X file, which is the extension for all the versions above 2007, because earlier you had the PPT format, but after 2007, since they used some new formatting, we have now PPTX. You go, like in any other program, to File, and you either click Save to save this file, or you click Save As. Save As is very important because we can browse, click on Browse, and as I have it here, I can save as type. What's great here, we can not only save a presentation, but we can also save PDF files. We can save JPEGs. If we, for example, would like to show screenshots of the presentation to someone, let me show you how. I'll just select JPEG, which is a normal image format. I'll press save, and I'll just select if I want to save all slides or just this one. This is so ugly. Let's say just this one. And in my folder, as you can see, the presentation would save as a normal image, like this. Can you imagine? What's also cool is you can go to File, and either using Save As or Export, you can create a MP4 video. Let me hit the Export button, and on the Export button, you have Create a Video. And you can remember about this function because it's really important if you intend to have a video playing. You will select Create a Video. You can select the quality, you can use timings, but this is a bit more advanced, so I'll not talk about timings here. And you can, if there are no timings, just a basic normal presentation like we have here, we can select that seconds spent on each slide would be 5 seconds. This is very low, but I'll create a video. It asks me where to save it. We have two formats here available. As I remember, on Mac we have also the QuickTime version. You just click save, and the video here on the bottom, it renders. Rendering means turning what you see, taking all the frames and putting it on a video file. This is a very quick explanation of rendering. So rendering takes a little longer, but it still isn't as bad. And I would have a video where each slide would be visible for 5 seconds. As you can see, it has rendered. I will just double click, and this way I created my very first totally, absolutely ugly video. But just imagine having good slides, good animations and everything, and this would be a ready video to upload on any social media or on YouTube, and it could be normally professionally used. So this is how you save a file and export a video on PowerPoint.